The legend is back, louder, sharper, and more aggressive than ever. Meet the all-new 2026 Ford Mustang Dark Horse, a machine built for enthusiasts who crave raw American performance with modern technology. This isn't just another Mustang variant. It's the most track-focused, naturally aspirated V8 Mustang in the lineup, designed to deliver an unforgettable driving experience while maintaining the iconic muscle car character that has defined the Mustang for generations. At first glance, the 2026 Dark Horse commands attention. The front fascia looks more aggressive than ever, featuring a unique grille design, larger air intakes, and a darker, menacing appearance that perfectly matches its name. The sculpted hood enhances airflow while giving the car a muscular stance. Sharp LED headlights create a modern and intimidating look, while the aerodynamic elements throughout the body help improve performance at higher speeds. Moving along the sides, the Dark Horse showcases wider fenders, exclusive badging, and lightweight performance wheels that emphasize its track-ready personality. The low stance and aggressive proportions make it clear that this Mustang was built with speed in mind. Around the rear, a distinctive spoiler, quad exhaust outlets, and signature tri-bar LED taillights create a powerful finish that leaves a lasting impression whether the car is parked or flying down a straightaway. Step inside and you'll find a cockpit designed around the driver. The cabin blends modern technology with performance-focused details. Premium materials cover the seats, dashboard, and door panels, giving the interior a high-quality feel. Unique Dark Horse accents and stitching set it apart from other Mustang models, creating an environment that feels both exclusive and purposeful. The digital dashboard features a large customizable display that provides all the information drivers need at a glance. A modern infotainment system supports smartphone connectivity, navigation, and advanced performance data monitoring. The flat bottom steering wheel offers excellent grip and control, while the heavily bolstered seats help keep occupants secure during spirited driving. Every detail inside the cabin has been carefully designed to enhance the connection between driver and machine. Under the hood is where the Dark Horse truly shines. Power comes from a naturally aspirated 5.0-liter Coyote V8 engine that delivers thrilling performance and an unmistakable soundtrack. Producing well over 500 horsepower, this powerhouse sends energy to the rear wheels through either a precise 6-speed manual transmission or a quick shifting automatic gearbox. The result is explosive acceleration, instant throttle response, and the kind of driving engagement that the enthusiasts love. But straight-line speed is only part of the story. The 2026 Dark Horse benefits from upgraded suspension tuning, enhanced chassis rigidity, larger brakes, and advanced cooling systems developed specifically for high-performance driving. Whether attacking corners on a racetrack or cruising along a winding back road, the car feels composed, confident, and incredibly responsive. Ford has also equipped the Dark Horse with multiple drive modes, allowing drivers to tailor the vehicle's behavior to different conditions. From comfortable daily driving to aggressive track sessions, the Mustang adapts to deliver the perfect balance of performance and usability. As for pricing, the 2026 Ford Mustang Dark Horse is expected to start at around $65,000 in the United States, depending on options and destination charges. Fully equipped models can climb significantly higher, especially when performance packages and premium features are added. While it may carry a premium price tag compared to standard Mustang models, the Dark Horse offers a unique combination of naturally aspirated V8 power, track-ready engineering, and iconic Mustang heritage. The 2026 Ford Mustang Dark Horse proves that the spirit of the American muscle car is alive and stronger than ever. With stunning design, advanced technology, thrilling performance, and unmistakable V8 character, it's a machine built to excite every time the engine comes to life.